AI can give you answers quickly, but without structure, those answers can become overwhelming. Many writers open AI tools expecting instant clarity. They type broad prompts, receive long responses, and suddenly feel flooded with ideas, outlines, suggestions, and information. At first it feels productive, but after a few minutes, many writers become more confused than before because they still do not know what direction they are actually trying to follow. Speed is not always the same as clarity. Before using AI, a writer needs structure. Structure helps writers understand what they are writing, why they are writing it, who they are writing for, and what steps should come next. Without structure, it becomes easy to jump from one idea to another without making meaningful progress. Many writers struggle because they ask AI to solve the entire writing journey in one moment. They want AI to generate the book idea, create the outline, define the audience, write the chapters, improve the wording, and solve every problem at once. But when everything happens at the same time, the process becomes mentally exhausting. Structure slows the process down in a healthy way. It creates order. It creates focus. And most importantly, it helps writers stay connected to their purpose. Without structure, AI may produce content that sounds impressive but does not truly match the writer's goals. The writing may look polished on the surface, but it can still feel disconnected, unclear, or emotionally empty because the foundation was never defined. That is why the Domino Effect Writing System matters. The system helps writers move step by step instead of trying to complete everything at once. It guides writers from idea to purpose, from purpose to structure, and from structure to action. Each domino represents a stage in the process, helping writers understand where they are and what they should focus on next. For example, before asking AI for help with writing chapters, a writer should first understand the core message behind the project. Before creating content, the writer should know who the audience is. Before editing, the writer should already have clarity about the purpose of the message. Structure creates direction, and direction improves the quality of every AI prompt. When a writer has structured, AI becomes far more useful. Instead of generating random information, AI can provide focused support that matches the writer's actual needs. The writer can ask clearer questions, receive more relevant responses, and avoid unnecessary confusion. A structured writer might ask, "Help me organize these ideas into a simple outline. Help me make this message clearer for beginners. Help me improve the flow while keeping the meaning intact." These prompts are more effective because the writer already knows the goal. Structure also helps reduce Writers often feel overwhelmed because they are trying to manage too many decisions at once. But when the process is broken into smaller steps, writing becomes more manageable and less intimidating. The Domino Effect Writing System reminds writers that progress happens one domino at a time. One clear step creates momentum for the next. Clarity leads to confidence, and confidence leads to action. AI is a powerful tool, but tools work best when there is a clear plan behind them. Do not let AI lead you into confusion. Let structure guide you first, then use AI to support the next step. Subscribe for simple writing structure, encouragement, and step-by-step guidance.